So what is the most disappointing mail call that you've ever received? At least one that you're really looking forward to, and when you open the box, a big surprise was awaiting you. In my case, this one just actually happened to me a couple weeks ago. I was the highest bidder on eBay for a Viper that I've been wanting. An auto art of all things, so if you know anything about auto art, they are highly detailed models, and they do not come cheap. And this one was by no means cheap either. But I got the box and heard some rattling stuff, so kind of moved the box around a little bit and kind of confirmed my suspicion that there was actually part of the model that was rattling around. It wasn't just some other thing in the box. So I cut it open, and right away I noticed that something was missing from the back of the Viper and the front. Take a look there. That got broken off. Well, the seller did do a good job at least trying to tie it down. He only tied down the front of the hood. And I don't know if you can see here, but Auto Art put a little sticker on the windshield to kind of hold down the hood. And I think there was probably originally one on the front as well to hold it down. But it did not survive shipping. You can actually see right here in the hood where it just ripped. So the hood came off. I don't know how, but the little antenna. See the little antenna? That survived, but the wing was destroyed, unfortunately. Really stinks. And along with that damage, I don't know if you can see right here. Focus on the 51. Yep. There's a decent gouge on the driver door. Like back here, I actually took some paint off the Viper. So I mean yeah, I think it mostly did a lot of the damage as well in the back, because it's kind of hard to see right now, but like there's the whole back kind of got like scuffed up. There's some scratches all over the place, but this is one that does not come up often, and when it does, they tend to be overpriced, and I got this one at a good deal. Oh well. Let me know in the comments, what is your most disappointing mail call that you were highly looking forward to? In my case, Dodge Viper GTS, actually GTS-r. And it's one of the old auto arts where you can see the engine. Well, auto art still does it, where you can see the engine stuff, take it apart, you can open the doors. Well, a lot of auto, at least diecast makers, are going resin style. Auto art still makes me proud. Make them the good old-fashioned style. Oh well. Anyways, guys, let me know what you're finding. And again, let me know in the comments of your disasters that have happened from shipping. I know I work in the shipping field, so I've seen it firsthand how things are handled, and it's not any better at any other place. All shipping companies, well, any company, you're going to have some bad apples that are just going to throw stuff around. Unfortunately, this one got kicked around a little bit too much. But the positive side is, despite it being damaged and stuff, the seller did actually give me a full refund. They are replica cars, yes, replica cars on eBay. I highly recommend them. And right after I bought this Viper, I actually did buy my other Viper, so if you see the resin Viper, the video shortly before this one, that resin one I bought from them as well, and it arrived perfect. So this one was very well packaged. Unfortunately, the hood came loose. You actually see back here it did a lot of damage to the plastic too. So it's kind of like an unfortunate thing where accidents happen. He gave me a full refund. I'm very happy with them and stuff, so I highly recommend them. He said to give it to a kid, and guess what? If you're watching this, Rebel Cars, my kids will be getting this, and I'm sure they are going to have a field day with it. But anyways, guys, again, let me know what you're finding, and as always, happy hunting.